Hi everyone, I'm Engineer Liao from GFD. Today I would like to tell you how to replace the thermostat of the convection oven. The tool used is an electric tool. The first step is to remove the front door. Push the small mechanism on both sides of the door upwards. Then it is easy to pull out the door. Then, remove this G and plate holder. Unscrew this two screws. We will now show the timer replacement. Remove this front panel first. Take the screws off here. The timer can then be taken out straight away and replaced. This is the entire video of our convection oven repair process. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.